Thanks for clicking our video. We've got the 73 Camaro Z28 out here in the sun for you guys. We're going to go through and show you the interior, the underside of the car, start it up, and of course take it for a drive. This is a numbers matching Z28, numbers matching engine and transmission. Very, very cool car. So stay tuned to see more. Alright, give you guys a tour of the inside here. See, it's a pretty stock interior, with the exception of that CD player that's been added. And of course the AC system now is vintage air, so the controls are not stock. Other than that, just a real clean, stock black vinyl interior. Alright, we're going to fire it up. The tach's working, got the temperature gauge over there working, amp gauge is reading, working. Heading on down the road. Second gear, third, and fourth. Alright, we're going to turn it around here, take it back and get it up on the lift for you. We are inside with the Camaro up on the lift. Give you guys a view of the underside here. See, we've got those full length headers running to nice big dual exhaust. Very solid car. If you'd like to see any more of this vehicle, pictures, information, go to skywayclassics.com.